What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to talk about a valve cover gasket here. So this valve cover gasket, this customer had it done, it leaked. Okay, it leaked again. So there you have it. So why did it leak again? The reason is these bolts over time they will stretch. Okay, these bolts are long enough, but only long enough that they will bottom out and they can't push any further. So the best thing to do here is to replace your whole cover, replace your gasket, and replace your bolts. Okay, these bolts stretch over time. The new vehicles, new era, new technology does not accept you reusing the bolts. Okay, you must replace them bolts. Okay, that's the reason why this valve cover gasket here leaked. This customer had it replaced, but it leaked within probably a few months. Okay, and as you can see, it's not literally leak, it's a large leak. Okay, and it's all around. Okay, so going all around, you can see his brand new gasket in there, and it's all around to the back. Okay, it's to the back. The back is not that much, but the front is done deal. Anyways, so that's one of the reasons why your gasket's gonna leak. Okay, so to prevent that, get yourself at least new bolts. Okay, I would also recommend you get yourself a new valve cover, the whole housing. It might cost you a little bit of money, but it's worth it. Do it properly, do it right, and torque these bolts and tighten up in a sequence where you're not just tightening one and two and then everything is all off. So do crisscross, one here, one there, one there, one there, and make sure you clean up the surface really well. Okay, bye bye, that's it. See you guys in the next video. So silicone is kind of left behind, I could see that, and it got a leak all around. So clean up the silicone right there. The reason why you have silicone here is because this cover in this side and this, see this cover has where they meet at, that silicone needs to, because the gasket's not gonna cover that little groove right in the center. The silicone will do it. Okay, all right, that's it. Bye bye. So if you were to ask me how you're gonna fix this, so a customer went and bought a whole bunch of bolts. There's a part number on this guy, and inside this, each package is gonna have this bolt. So he has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bolts. They're all the same part number. So we're gonna go up close personal and we're gonna remove them all. So if you watch my valve cover gasket video, just lift this baby up and this comes right off. The grommet, this grommet is stuck behind, so we're gonna take this off and we're gonna put this guy right where it belongs, right in there. And first thing first, I like to do is some parts cleaner. You know what, let's take the camera and that way we all can see better. So I like to this, you cannot spray this on electronic parts, or just when the engine is nice out, this is nice and warm, just want to spray a little bit so that way we know that next time he's here we don't see this here. So another thing I told this customer is sometimes it's not the gasket, it's not the bolts, it's the cover itself. So he's taking a chance here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove some of these bolts and chain them as we go along. I think there's 9 of them all around. So here goes the first one right here. So this is gonna be the first one here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take this little guy off, and remember, as I was saying, this customer is very smart. He likes to have his car fixed, and he told me some of these bolts will bottom out, and if it's dirty down there, this won't go in there. But this is a hollow down here, so there's nothing in there. Told them these stretches over time, or your gasket itself, I mean the cover itself, will go bad or stretch out. So do whatever you can to fix your baby. So there's one, and what we're gonna do is take off this another one and we'll talk a little bit more about this one here. So you see this, the bolt bottoms out. Sometimes you can put a washer on the top if you can find something, and that will give it a little bit more leverage to push this cover down. And that's 2. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do one more for you guys, that way you can understand, and then I'll show you all the bolts that you do need to replace. Okay, I'm gonna take off this guy right here, and you know what, let's do this also. And let's take this off. Let's take this off. This goes right there. And This one goes right here. Okay, I'll double check them all by hand, but what you're gonna do is you're gonna change that one. There's one back over here, there's one back over here. There should be a few over here. Okay, there's one somewhere here. Okay, there's one in the corner here. And this one, he does not have this one, so this is, it has like a little, this is where the grommet from here goes, so he doesn't have that. So I'm gonna do the rest and we'll come back and take a look. Okay, so I'm all done. I'm gonna spray some more of this and a little bit every time he comes, and I will keep eye on this guy's car. And when it's hot, this thing helps out. You just can't spray on any of the wires, you can't spray on any of the electronics. Take it easy, go easy, and spray a little bit today, a little bit tomorrow, and this should take care of that. And that's it. I'm gonna start the car up and this is all gonna burn off. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all that on there. 7 and 8. I'm not sure why he has 9 bolt. Might be this one, but I can't change this one. This is an oval looking bolt. Okay, I see it. There's one back over here. All the way down there. That's the one I missed. So I'm gonna get to that from right over here. Even if I need to use this one, well, there you go. So he's correct. So it's 9 bolts, not including that weird looking bolt. So here it is. This guy comes off, and this guy is gonna go on. And that's how you're gonna fix this issue. So if you guys got issue with this little guy, keeps leaking on you, or you could go all at it and replace the whole freaking cover with it. And I'm gonna double check all this with my hand. Just get everything back to the spot. So there you go. There's the last bolt. This thing is on the way, but there it is. And there's one over here, and there's the shiny new bolt over here. You can see it right from the center, right there, right now. So it's all around, and that's it. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. See you guys on the next video.